Welcome to the Bal Govindam Learning app. Hello children. Today work is of your new English workbook handwriting. So today's alphabet is year. Means Y. Y says year. Okay. So yacht. This is the picture of yacht. Okay. So let's practice. First you have to complete this tracing, writing. Take the pencil first in blue line, upward, down, okay. So first you have to complete this tracing, writing year. Y says year. Okay. Y says year. Y says year. So we have completed this line. Y says year, yacht, yak. Okay. So now start writing from here. Already the 1 point is given. Already 1 point is given in your workbook. Okay. See. So you have to put 2 points. Okay. One in blue line and other in a slant way in a blue line. Okay. Like this. Okay. So put the 2 dot first. Like this. Okay. First put the pencil on the blue line, take upward, downward and make in the U pattern. Okay, like this. Then come to the red line. Okay, एकदम straight लेके आना आपको. Then little turn upward. Okay, like this. Just see. Again upward, down and the shape of U. Okay, of the shape of U you have to complete. Then take your pencil to the downward of the red line and little turn and outside to the blue line. Okay, like this. Okay, again take the pencil upward like U, then straight line, little turn and outside to the blue line. It completes year. Here says Y says year. Okay, like this. Again downward to the straight line, little turn and outward to the blue line. It completes year. It's a very simple. Down, outward. Okay, it's complete here. Here, Y says here. So look, we have completed this line writing here. So you have to complete this line also, okay, by giving the point in a slant pattern, and the point should be in upward, down and turn in a U pattern, okay, then straight and outside, straight line, downward red line, take outside to the blue line. It's complete. Y says year. In phonic we will pronounce Y as year, okay. So look, we have completed year. Please speak and write. Y says yacht. Yak. Okay. Look here, we completed this whole line writing here, okay. So you have to complete this page writing in this pattern, okay. So this is the page number 13 and the next page is 14. This is also the same revision work. Y says here, so you have to complete this page also by writing here, okay, like this. The whole page you have to write like this here, okay. So there are 2 page homework, your work, so please complete it by the help of your parent. Thank you.